What's up guys, this is me Sudarshan and you're watching my channel SJRTD. So as you know, on 14th May OnePlus launched their brand new phones, the OnePlus 7 series, that is the OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro. So as you know, both the phones come with excellent display, good RAM and the fastest processor, that is Snapdragon 855. So here's the unboxing. Let's get started. So here's the box of OnePlus 7. As you can see, the number 7 is on the front of the box, and then we have the OnePlus community message. We have the branding of OnePlus, and on the left side of the box we have OnePlus 7 written. And as you can see, the phone comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Then the price of the phone is 32,999. So let's unbox this thing. Once you open the box, you can see there's some paperwork. So first is the phone case. We get an inbuilt phone case which is transparent. Then this is SIM ejector tool. We have some other papers inside it. Let's go beyond the speed. Then some manuals. There's the OnePlus 7. We'll keep that aside. First check what inside the box. So we have this charger, the fast charger, which is called as the dash charger, as you can see. Then we have this Type-C cable, which is red in color, and the build quality is really good for that. Now let's move on to the OnePlus 7. So that's how it looks like, the OnePlus 7. On the left side we have volume buttons and dual SIM slot, whereas on the right side we have the lock button and the volume slider. Where we can change the profile, that is from ring mode to vibrate mode, from vibrate mode to silent mode, just like that. The back camera of OnePlus consists of 48 plus 12 megapixel dual camera setup. Let's set up the phone. I'll set up the fingerprint now. Let's see how fast is the fingerprint. Well, OnePlus 7 comes with in-display fingerprint scanner. So let's see how fast it is. So it comes with different gestures. These are the gestures. Now let's test how fast is the fingerprint. That's super fast.